Oh shit!
So, how does this work? Is this like a casting or something?
Let's just go up. Let's just go upstairs and get on the couch. So, let's start with the alternator. You had to move it down, and you have to create a bracket.
Yeah.
So
I
the
gotta
water pump
redo
can
this
fit.
one. I gotta redo this one, and then weld on a sharper 90 here to go into the radiator this way.
Okay.
So I'll have to cut that off, weld the 90, weld that back on the 90, then run the hose, and then extend this out.
Oh yeah. That'll work a lot better.
After I
didn't
cut
know
this
about
out too, I gotta cut the frame out. The crossmember here, right there. That's what I meant.
Because the back of the alternator's hitting it.
Yeah. So I'm probably gonna cut it like here, and then down there, and then fill this in, because the alternator hits here.
Oh, that's rough.
Yeah.
That actually does suck, because I remember...
It almost hits on the power. It's not right now, but if I notch a little bit out, it will start.
You should just done 2 12-volt batteries and call it good.
See, that's the thing.
That doesn't matter.
I really want to know if
You don't need a street.
the rear end gearing
It's too high for the street.
is going to be acceptable on the street. Because it either is or isn't, and it's going to be what I need to race. And if it's not, then why would I want an alternator
Exactly. It just adds weight,
and siphons horsepower?
so it sucks. And every time you get
This
back,
is going to be an actual
just charge the
race
batteries.
car. This is going to be like a legit race car, though.
It already is.
No alternator? Are you kidding me?
You already cut out the firewall.
It's not a street car.
That came together really well.
Oh, you're right. Better go in the unlimited class.
We'll just Fred Flintstone the shit out of this thing.
Hour and a half, finally found the fitting.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah. It's just really expensive.
Spend hours just
They
looking
have
for car
run
parts
times
and get
on
so
it.
excited.
With no alternator, it would drain.
Huh. These are pretty strange.
Depends. Like, if you just go do a pass,
Got these beautiful, strange
drive around
brakes
and come
and
back.
So two 16-volt
beautiful rotors, all slotted.
carbureted setup on our car. Well, we can make
A
about 4
fat
passes
coilover.
on the charger. That's driving up there, burn out, making a pass, driving it back to the return. We make 4 passes with that.
Fitted.
Everything's
coming together.
About a mile worth of driving each time.
It's probably. I'll probably have to bring a
Some
charger
more
with
than
me,
a mile.
which is really stupid, but
Charging.
Oops, sorry. I just need to squeeze through here.
not even backup. But just use it every.
We're
after
also
every
front wheel
pass,
drive
just
too,
because-
so
I would.
you know it's no big deal.
Create your own.
So like, we have some charging plugs.
Got some Hoosiers.
Like you just
All right. Well, Zane pulled the connector off these wires, and now he has to solder them back together.
Yep. They weren't soldered in the first place, but getting this connector out was not fun.
Well, didn't you
So
solder
the
right
wires-
there? Like literally right next to it?
Over here, yep.
Right there. Okay.
I did. I did have to solder a little bit.
That's awesome.
Yep. Alright, that one's done. On to the next one.
Zane just ran into a big ass problem,
We need
and it's just kind of fixed right now.
go grab the intake manifold.
The intake manifold.
Or the exhaust manifold.
I was gonna say.
Redo the video.
No, thank you. So the alternator right here is just gonna stay in the stock placement area, just moved over here a little bit longer, so that way you don't have to cut anything back here on the K member, or even anything on the alternator. And then the water pump, and the 90 fitting right here is just gonna go straight up and then right on the radiator.
This one's too
Golly!
I got 2
Your
bolts in there.
valve cover looks pretty good. And then it just smashes right there. That would work. Just heat wrap that alternator, you'll be all right.
excuse me.
Oh, That's just not gonna.
Not gonna work.
Shoes won't fly.
That's just not gonna work.
Nope.
So this whole pretty thing is now getting out of there. Oh, I can't lift that with one arm.
Good thing it's not hot again.
And then I guess Dave's just gonna have to weld you up new ones, right?
Hopefully David will do it for me.
If he ever sees this,
I know.
you owe him a lot.
Yep.
Get this all done for you. What a swell guy.
As long as he has time, I know he'll do it for me.
Yeah, that looks so much
Once.
better.
Second time, probably not.
That does look good though. And then it'll be an actual street car.
Yeah.
Just with the alternator, that's it.
Since apparently you need an alternator to be a street car.
Yes.
Well, you can't travel down, go sit in the drive-thru, get some ice cream on a hot date, and cruise around for a bit.
Yeah, you can't do that without an alternator. I don't want it if I can't have an alternator.
Are you
It's
getting,
my
like-
kink, okay?
It's my kink.
Are you gonna get like a vertebrae removed or something so you can drive this car?
Hold on. Let me just get behind you. It's truly gonna work. Just keep going. Come here.
Shoot him right at Dakota.
Zane's cutting that off so that hose will fit better. So we'll do a little taparoo. All right, that AN fitting is connected, but not there yet. And Zane ended up cutting out and grinding out the bracket for the alternator. That way that fitting can it just looks better. It looks more clean.
Yeah. Looks like it was supposed to be there.
Yeah. It's meant to be.
Now we can put the timing cover back on and put the pulleys on, put the belt on, get ready. Yeah, cut this hose, get ready for mock-up of the exhaust manifold.